All right, 360. So if u equals that, then the u equals dx. So the integration on the top would be x, which would be u plus 100 over u du. So that's the integration of 1 plus 100 over u du. So that would be u plus 100 log u plus c. So that would be x plus 100 log x minus 100 plus c. And the c absorbed the minus 100 at the front. 361. So again, on the top, it'll be y is u minus 1, so it's u minus 1 minus 1. And on the bottom, y plus 1 is u, and dy is equal to du. So this would be u over u, which is 1, minus 2 over u, du. So that integrates to 2u minus 2 log u plus c, which would be y plus 2 log y plus 1 plus c. Let's check the answer for 361. Y minus 2 log y plus 1 plus c. Yeah, I should actually make these absolutes, so I've been in the habit of doing that. Should get into the habit of it. 362. So du equals 3 minus 3x squared dx. So 1/3 du is 1 minus, yeah, which is that's the top. So the integration becomes 1/3 du over u. So that's 1/3 log u, which is 3x minus x cubed plus c. We've seen this one before, 363, haven't we? That came up earlier. So the derivative of sine is cos, and the derivative of minus cos is sine. So this is already written in the correct form to go straight to the answer. Log sine x minus cos x plus c. And I keep forgetting my absolutes. Now we're getting into the juicy stuff. 364. U equals that. So that means du dx would be 2 times this. So if I put a half in front, then I would have 2e2x dx. So that would be du. 1 minus u du. Then if I said v equals 1 minus u, then this would become a half integrate root v minus a half, sorry, dv. So then that becomes minus a half, increase the power by 1, that's 3 over 2, divide by the new power, 3 over 2. So that would be minus 1/3 root v cubed. But v is 1 minus u, but u is e power 2x. Don't have an answer back to check for that. 365. U equals log x and du dx is 1 over x. So this 1 over x dx, that becomes the du. So that becomes integration of u root 1 minus u squared du. And then I'll put a minus a half here and a minus 2 here and say v equals 1 minus u squared. And you can see that dv du equals minus 2u. So then this becomes minus a half integration of root v dv. And that becomes minus a half, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. That becomes minus a third root b cubed, and b is 1 minus u squared, and u is log x, so that's 1 minus log x squared. Don't forget your plus c, Stephen. 360, 361, 362, 363, plus c. Now, minus 1/3 root 1 minus log x squared cubed plus c. Let's check the answer for 365. Minus 1/3, 1 minus log x. I think they put the square in the wrong place. The square should be outside the bracket. I think. And then, yeah, I'll open a ticket about the answer for 365. The square is on the log, not the x.